ओके, तो वह चिड़िया जो, दैट बर्ड, हूँ, वह चिड़िया जो चोंच मारकर मीन्स बाय हिटिंग द बीक, दूध भरे, filled with milk, जुंडी के दाने, जुंडी is a kind of seed, grain, so seeds of जुंडी grain. ओके, रुचि से, रस से खा लेती है, eats with interest and happiness. ओके, सो वह छोटी संतोषी चिड़िया, that small satisfied bird. So what is the meaning? Means that with her own efforts, by hitting that seeds and juicy grain, she eats and she is satisfied with that only. She don't want anything else. Okay, so she is very satisfied. Santoshi means satisfied. That small satisfied bird. नीले पंखों वाली, I have blue wings. मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है, I love the grain so much. This is clear? This sentence is clear? This paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
You are muted, Keshu.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Okay. That bird who दूध भरे जुंडी के दाने, जुंडी seeds which is filled with milky juice. Okay. So what that bird does, by hitting those seeds, she will she'll tear it. Okay. Okay, and then she will eat it. Okay, रुचि से, with interest, रस से, with happiness, खा लेती है, she eats it. That milky, juicy, जुंडी seeds, she eats with happiness. वह छोटी संतोषी चिड़िया, that small satisfied bird. She don't want anything else. She is very much satisfied with what all she is getting. That jundi seed only she will eat, and she is very satisfied with that. नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ, मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है, I am having the blue wings and I love the grain so much. मुझे अन्न से अन्न means grain. मुझे अन्न से बहुत प्यार है. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. वह चिड़िया जो, that bird, कंठ खोलकर, कंठ means actually neck or the throat. By opening the throat or by opening the full mouth, बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर. बूढ़ा one means forest. One baba means forest grandfather. One he is telling, that author is considering the old forest is like a grandfather of the normal forest. Okay, it is very dense and it is very dark. Okay, there is no sunlight is able to reach there. It is very dark and it is very old forest. So it is, the author is considering that forest as a grandfather. Grandfather always, what do we say? Dada, right? Dada or Baba. So he is calling for the sake of old forest Dada. Okay. रस उड़ेलकर गा लेती है. In the sweet voice she sings. Why? Because that in the old forest no one is there. Total loneliness is there. Darkness is there. No voice is there. So make him happy. For making him happy, she sings very well. So that he should realize someone is there with him. He is not alone. Okay, who is he here? That forest. Forest should not feel he is alone. बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर. For the forest. रस उड़ेलकर. रस means happiness, sweetness. By pouring the sweetness in the song, she sings. वह छोटी मुंह बोली चिड़िया. मुंह बोली means so called. That small so called bird. नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. I am the blue wings bird. मुझे विजन से बहुत प्यार है. विजन means loneliness. I like the loneliness so much. Means she don't want so many people. She don't want crowdy area. She want only peace. Vision means loneliness, ekant, peace. Okay, so she likes that area which is not crowdy. This is clear? This paragraph is clear? Keshu, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Keshu, where are you?
Ma'am, here only.
Okay, you understood the second paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why your voice is so low?
Ma'am, here just came.
Okay, fine. So shall we move to the third paragraph? Okay, this is the last paragraph. वह चिड़िया जो, that bird, चोंच मारकर, again by using her beak. Okay. चड़ी नदी का दिल टटोलकर. चड़ी नदी means which is having so many waves. Okay, and so many waves are there and lot of water is there. It is filled. It is not the dry river. It is having water. Okay. चड़ी नदी का दिल टटोलकर. दिल टटोलकर means by searching the heart of that river, means by searching in that much water she is searching. Okay, clear, Keshu? Keshu, it is clear? Mr. Keshu?
Ma'am, one second, ma'am. Here guest came once again.
Okay. Okay. वह चिड़िया जो, that bird, चोंच मारकर, by hitting the beak. चढ़ी नदी का दिल टटोलकर, by searching in the heart of river. चढ़ी नदी means चढ़ी नदी का, चढ़ी means the river which is having lot of water. It's not a dry river. It is having lot of water and so many waves are there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that waves, also that this bird is so talented, in that much water, that much flows is there, in that also she will search the heart of the river, means she will find in that river. जल का मोती ले जाती है. She drinks the water. जल का मोती means
Ma'am, what she will find?
she drinks the water. She will not drink water simply at the bank of the river. What she will do? It's in the mid of the river. There are the waves are there, and she will come and she will take the water and she will drink.
Okay.
So she is that much talented, means she don't have to wait for the river to calm down. If the water is stable, then it is very easy to drink water, right? But she will not wait. She is so talented, in that much wavy river, she will take the drop of water. Jal ka moti. Moti means pearl. Pearl means something which is very expensive, and water is also very expensive, right? So she takes the water from the river. वह छोटी गर्बीली चिड़िया. Garbili means which we are very proud of, something. That small गर्बीली चिड़िया. नीले पंखों वाली मैं हूँ. I am the blue wings bird. मुझे नदी से बहुत प्यार है. I like the river so much. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain me?
Yes.
Okay, tell me. Who will tell me first?
Ma'am.
Keshu, first one, will you tell?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Whatever you understand, you tell me in English.
Ma'am, she will get some fruit in the tree and she will eat it by tearing it with her beak.
Hmm?
Then she is satisfied with that small fruit
Okay.
and she is very caring, I think so.
No. She is very satisfied and she is having blue wings and she loves the grain. Okay, instead of fruit, you should say grain. Seed of
Okay,
grains.
ma'am.
And she don't find it on tree. It's just a seed. It is the crop.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that she can find and she is very much satisfied with that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
Vishwesh. Next one.
Next one.
It is for Vishwesh.
Ma'am? Vishwesh, okay, ma'am.
Yes. The
Ma'am,
second paragraph. In English,
Ma'am.
whatever you understand.
ma'am, the screen is like a color, ma'am. It's a bit black.
You can use your own book. You have book, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. The second, which paragraph, ma'am?
Second one.
Okay.
वह चिड़िया जो कंठ खोलकर बूढ़े वन बाबा की खातिर.
Ma'am, should I read or what?
You should tell the meaning.
Kant Kolkar. That means she opens the seed.
She opened the she opens the throat or the beak.
Yes. Kant Kolkar. She sings
Hmm?
in the forest.
Hmm?
And to make her feel less lonely.
Correct.
तुमने वो गंदी चाय पी ली?
नहीं पी.
She is a little bird.
Hmm?
Is written.
चलो तुम बैठो ना.
She has blue wings. मुझे she likes to be lonely. She likes the loneliness.
Okay, so she sings for the forest to make him less lonely.
Is it correct or wrong?
Yes,
Did I
correct
tell-
only. Ras Udelkar means she sings
the
with the
screen is
sweet
okay,
voice.
Now the screen is okay.
Okay. Now third paragraph. Keshu. Mr. Keshu.
Ma'am, in the forest, the lakeside, the waves will come
Hmm?
and
that
she
wave-
will, and that wave she'll go to the middle part of that sea and she will drink water from the waves.
So she is very talented.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.